Hello and welcome to PopScrap.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to create a price formula and how to create a price sheet and then how to apply that to a customer in PopScrap.com. So first of all, let's go to our back office. From PopScrap.com, from any internet connected device, you can click on Boss Online. This will take you to our web management system, in which case you can log on. And from here we can just go to log on to our demo site. You'll notice that now once we're in the back office, we can now scroll down to formulas under materials, and then you'll notice here that we can select the location that we're using, and then you'll notice we have one formula already, but let's go ahead and add another formula. And so choose the location you want to apply this formula to, and let's just call this a 2% policy, and let's go ahead and select 2%. Now you can of course you can go ahead and implement a minus 2%, or you can put in a just 2% flat, or of course you can use an absolute dollar, such as a nickel, a dime, to create the formula. So it's unlimited formulas that you want to create. Once we've applied the formula, we've created it, now we're going to go and attach this formula to a price sheet. So let's go over to our price sheets, go down to our location. You'll notice that right now we have a dealer 1, dealer 2, but let's go ahead and create a price sheet for this location. Let's go ahead and just make it for a specific customer. So let's create a price sheet for a customer, myself, Stacy, and then let's go ahead and make this customer. Let's pull the price. We have 3 default prices. We have public, dealer 1, dealer 2. That also applies to QuickBooks interconnectivity and also to sales tax. Let's go ahead and just create it, put it on the public price, and let's save it. Now that we've created the price sheet, we now need to be able to add materials to it. So there's 2 ways to add materials to a price sheet. We can go down, select the materials like this. You can see here that we got aluminum breakage. We can hit edit. You can apply the formula such as 2% or the nickel plus, and then you can update it. You'll notice that it automatically updates it. And let's go ahead and make that visible into our program. So let's update it. So that's how you apply a price formula to a price sheet. Now if we go back to it here, you'll notice that we also added the ability for you to add a price sheet. You can add a formula, but you can do it by the group. So you can say, listen, apply 2% in this formula for this customer, give them a 2% bump on all brass, and then of course you could go to copper and you could say give this customer a nickel bonus sheet, and then of course make this visible. And so we're going to go ahead and give them the nickel in the copper, and we're going to hit save. And then once we do that, we're going to go over and take a look at our program at how we would apply this to the customer during the ticketing process. Okay, once we've got our PopScrap application open, we can go to tickets, and then we can continue the ticket that we're in. Now we're going to add a customer, and then we'll go ahead and search for the customer, myself, and then you'll notice that it brings back a customer with different IDs for each customer. But let's go ahead and select this one here, and let's hit the edit button. And then let's drop down and apply the price sheet that we just created, which is this one. And so then when we go back to the ticket, you'll notice that now the price level has been customized so that this individual is now getting custom price sheet. So if we go to copper, our normal price for copper is $2.80, and of course we're applying that nickel to them. And so we can just put in a pound, and then we can of course proceed at that rate. We can also go to the aluminum breakage. And you'll notice here that we've applied the 2% price bonus on this one, and so you can see how to apply a custom price sheet. Let's go ahead and take a look at another feature while we're here. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to apply deduction by the pound. So let's go ahead and say we're going to go ahead and deduct 10 pounds for dirt and concrete, and you can just add it. You'll notice it puts a weight on the ticket and a note, and then puts over here and shows you what was added to the tear. So that's how you do a tear contamination by the line item. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and hope this helps you add price formulas, and hopes this add unlimited custom price sheets. PopScrap. So advanced, it's simple.